Virtual guided tours, guaranteed passive moneymaker. Are you ready to take your first step into the magical world of virtual guided tours? Sit back, relax, and let's look at how virtual guided tours can make your bank account sing sweet tunes without you having to sweat. Imagine this. People from all over the world who want to see new places without leaving their homes come to you, the best virtual tour guide, to be virtually whisked away to faraway places. You only have to make the tour once, but it will keep making money for you as long as people with wanderlust want to see the world from their computers. Method 1. Create and sell virtual guided tours on Etsy. Do you know those starving artists who sell their work at local art fairs? First, choose a place you're interested in or have been to so often that you could get around it blindfolded. Expert advice. Market your virtual tours with eye-catching words and pictures. Method 2. Work as a freelance tour guide. To start, profile on a freelancing site like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and advertise your virtual guided tour services there. You can give live, customized tours over video calls or record tours that customers can watch whenever they want. Method 3. Create a YouTube channel. Start by making videos of popular places or hidden gems that are interesting and full of information. This method might take a little more time and work, but once you get those sweet YouTube views, you can monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, or even paid memberships. Benefits of passive income with virtual guided tours. 1. Work from anywhere, even your couch. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection and make passive income with virtual guided tours. 2. 3 o'clock, be your own time lord, set your hours. Want to take a nap or go to the gym at 2 o'clock? 3. It's lower risk than playing with fire or starting a traditional business. With virtual guided tours, you only need a computer, creativity, and marketing know how to start making money. 4. No customers, no problems. We all know that dealing with customers can be a pain. You'll still need to interact with your audience to promote your tours and build your brand, but you won't have to deal with unhappy customers, returns, or constant complaints. So, dear readers, go into the world and conquer virtual guided tours. For more information, visit the link in the description.
That's it, folks. If you're eager to get rich now, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily money-making guides. We're here to support your journey to wealth. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access an exclusive detailed post on GetRichNow.com. It's time to level up your financial game. Join us, and let's get rich together.